Did you then do any certs or any boot camps early on in your career? Maybe not straight away, but early on in your career, did you then go off and do some certs or boot camps to supplement your knowledge?
Yeah, I actually did do a boot camp. So before starting my first cyber role, I did attend a boot camp. The boot camp was for Network Plus, Security Plus, and CEH, which are like the fundamental
Mm.
certifications towards security. The knowledge that I got from the instructor and the slides and the material, which then allowed me to kind of demonstrate that through the home labs that I talked about. But I think the biggest thing that was the most value from the boot camp was the networking connections that I built. And I'm still friends with some of them today. And we, established a WhatsApp group. We regularly stayed in touch. We, bounced ideas back and forth. Some of them landed cyber, some of them went into other avenues because their interests changed. But I think that was the biggest thing. The bootcamp brought a sort of collective people together, which had the same vision of entering cybersecurity. I think I really benefited from just the network connections that I made. And one thing I'd like to say is the bootcamp provider, I don't mind naming them because I'm actually grateful to them, which is Robust IT. Robust IT came in really helpful because they were able to kind of give me practical experience. So what they did is in one of their offices, they allowed me to simulate some, port scanning and things like this. And they were able to write a testimonial for me, almost like I'm a paid contractor, but obviously it was kind of voluntary work. But to someone starting out, that's invaluable, right? You've got a kind of
Yeah.
testimonial and a credible evidence of your work. And that really then helped talk about in interviews and things like that. So yeah, credit to Robust IT.